Guys, look at this. This is just a normal pen drive. I plug it into my computer, and instantly, I have a full Claude Code AI agent running on my computer. There is no installation, no subscription, and no complicated setup. You just plug it in, and it works. This is OpenClaude, the open source version of Claude Code, which made headlines just a few weeks back. And yes, you can run this Claude Code setup for free with no limits, no GPU needed, and no restrictions. Now watch this. On Windows, I just run this start.bat file, and our Claude is ready to go. On Mac, I run the start.sh file, and everything works the same. On Linux, same thing. Just run start.sh, and you are done. Same setup, same experience, no matter which system you use. And here is the best part. All your chats and files are already there, no matter which system you use, because nothing is saved to the computer. Everything lives inside this pen drive. Also, this setup is not locked to just one AI. You can run it with Google Gemini, NVIDIA, OpenAI, or OpenRouter, which gives you access to hundreds of models, many of them completely free. And if you do not want to use the internet at all, you can run it completely offline using a local model. Everything stays on your machine, using your own hardware. And here is where it gets even better. Unlike Claude Code, which is mostly terminal-based, this setup also gives you a full web dashboard, a clean chat interface right inside your browser. And if you appreciate the effort that went into this, a quick subscribe would really mean a lot. Alright, now let me show you exactly how to set this up. Let's start with Windows, but Linux and Mac users should also watch this part, because the basic setup and files are exactly the same, only a few steps change later. First, plug in your USB drive. If you want this to be truly portable and work across Windows, Linux, and Mac, format your pen drive as exFAT. If you are using it on just one system, you can skip this step. Also, if you do not want to use a pen drive, you can run it from any folder on your SSD or HDD. Next, open the GitHub repo link in the description. This is OpenClaude Portable, and this is where all the setup files are. Before downloading, take a quick look through the repo, so you understand how it works. It is fully open source, so you can review everything yourself if you want. Now click on the code button and download the zip file. Once it is downloaded, move the zip file to your USB drive or any folder you chose. Then extract it there, and you can delete the zip file after that. Now open this folder. You will see two start files, one for Windows and one for Linux and Mac. If you are on Windows, just run the start.bat file. As soon as you run it, it will start downloading the portable node.js and set up the AI engine. This only happens the first time, so just wait a few minutes for it to finish. Once it is done, you will see the setup screen. Now it will ask you to choose an AI provider. Since we want a free setup, you can use OpenRouter or NVIDIA NIM. I will go with NVIDIA NIM. Now it asks for an API key. You can get a free key from NVIDIA's official site. Just create an account, copy your key, and paste it here. After that, it will show you a list of available models. You can choose any model you like. I recommend going with Quencoder models, since they work really well for coding tasks. And that's it. Setup is done. To start the AI, just press 1, and it will launch the coding agent directly from your USB drive. And here it is. You can see it is running with NVIDIA NIM. Now you can use it just like normal Claude Code. Ask anything, build projects, or automate tasks. Let me quickly test it. I will ask it to create a simple hello world file. And there you go. The file is created directly inside the USB drive. Now to exit, just press Ctrl and C, and you will be out of the AI. And next time you run it, just open the same start.bat file. It will skip the setup, and you can start instantly. So option 1 is normal mode, where the AI asks before doing anything. Option 2 is auto execute mode, where it runs everything on its own. Now option 3 is the dashboard, and this is really interesting. Just press 3, and it will open the dashboard directly in your browser. It automatically detects your AI provider, and you can start chatting just like you do in ChatGPT or Claude. And all your conversations are saved on the drive, so you can access them on Windows, Mac, or Linux anytime. Alright, Now our USB is fully portable with Claude Code. Let me plug it into a Linux system and show you. So yes, this is the pen drive with the OpenClaude folder. I will open it in the terminal and run the start.sh file. Since this is the first run on Linux, it will download Node.js again, so wait for it. And that's it. Nothing else is installed, which means the portability is working perfectly. Now let me show you how to change the provider. Just select option 4, then reset the provider config. This time I will go with OpenRouter. I will enter my API key and it gets verified. Now press 1 to see all 3 models and it will fetch the latest list. I will select GPTOSS here. And that's it. The provider is now changed. Let me quickly test it. And yes, everything is working just fine. Also, it is not limited to just the setup folder. It can access your entire system. I asked it to summarize all the drives on this PC, and it returned the full details. So yeah, the Linux setup is working perfectly. Now let's test this on Mac OS. So here is my USB drive. Let me open the terminal in this folder. Now I will run bashstart.sh. On the first run, it will download Node.js for Mac and set everything up automatically. And it's done. Let me quickly test it. And yes, it is working. It even detected the previously selected NVIDIA provider. Now let me test its capability by asking it to summarize the root folder. And there you go, it works perfectly. Now let's also see how to use a local model. Just run the start file again and press 5 to begin the local setup. It will ask which model you want to download. Choose based on your system specs. I will go with Gemma 4. First, it will download the Llama engine for Mac, so this may take some time. Just wait until it finishes. Now the model is downloaded and the local setup is complete. Let's run the start file again. You can see it automatically detects the local model. This time I will run it in auto execute mode. And yes, it is now using the local model. Let me test it. And there you go, the local model is responding perfectly. So yes, Mac is fully supported as well. Now here's something really cool. If I plug this same USB into a Windows system and try to use the local model, it will not download the model again. It will only download the Llama setup for Windows one time, and then everything just works. And the same thing applies to Linux as well. So that's it. A fully portable AI coding setup that runs from a simple USB drive, works across Windows, Linux, and Mac, supports multiple AI providers, and even runs completely offline if you want. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple AI setups like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.